Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Screencastify to make a simple video presentation here. So the first thing that you're going to need to do, which I won't be able to show you here since I'm already recording, is you'll go through, click this little icon in the upper left corner. Here you'll see some options. So you'll see browser tab right here, desktop right here. So the easiest way to use this is to select desktop, and that basically shows that anything that is on your screen you will record in that period of time. So I'm going to go ahead and click back in here. So before you go ahead and click record, you're going to want to go through and queue up your music and get your presentation ready to go. So notice how I have my presentation here, and I have only pictures on my presentation. So you'll want to go through and you'll start your music, whatever you want to do. Again, it cannot have any words in it. So you'll have that playing in the background, which I think I forgot this step when I did my recording, so I apologize for not having that in there. Oops, sorry, we don't need that. So we'll go back to our presentation here then. You'll go through, you'll click screen. Again, I won't be able to show you exactly what it looks like since we're already recording. But basically what you'll have here is there will be a little record video button, and then there will be a dialog box that comes up in the middle once you click record that'll ask you to share your screen. So you'll only have one screen, you'll click share, and then it'll give you a 5-second countdown. So once it gives you that 5-second countdown, that's when you'll quickly need to click over back to presentation, click present, and it's okay if it takes a second to load. You have a little bit of this loading time when it starts. That's totally fine and all right. So then you'll go through, you'll read through your presentation, and you can go through and talk through your components. Once you're done speaking through your script and clicking through your images, then you'll go through and you will click stop in the bottom right corner of your screen.